Hello everyone, welcome back to our Illuminate Pages. Today we are diving into the life-changing concepts of emotional agility by Sushan David. Imagine a life where you navigate every challenge with ease, where your emotions guide with you, not control you. In this video, we are exploring how to get unstuck, embrace change, and truly thrive in both work and life. Let's unlock the power of emotional agility together. Point 1, recognizing emotional triggers. The journey to emotional agility begins with recognizing your emotional triggers. Sushan David emphasizes that being aware of what sets off your emotion is crucial. This awareness helps you respond thoughtfully instead of reacting impulsively, leading to more conscious and intentional decisions. Point 3, the power of acceptance. David teaches us the power of acceptance. Acceptance is not about resigning to your feelings, but about acknowledging them without judgment. By accepting your emotions, you gain the clarity to deal with them effectively, moving forward with greater emotional strength. Point 4 is stepping out from your thoughts. Emotional agility involves stepping out from your thoughts, creating distance between you and your mental chatter. David uses this powerful metaphor to use how we can observe our thoughts without being overwhelmed by them. This practice reduces the impact of negative thoughts on our behavior. Point 5, finding your values. Knowing your core values is essential in navigating life with emotional agility. Sushan David encouraging us to identify that truly matters to us, aligning our actions with these values, giving us a strong sense of purpose, guiding our decision and actions. Point 6, moving beyond emotional rigidity. One of the main obstacles to emotional agility is emotional rigidity, getting stuck in old pattern of thinking and behavior. David explained that flexibility in our thoughts and actions is a crucial for personal growth and adaptability. 7, developing a growth mindset. To thrive with emotional agility, developing a growth mindset is key. Sushan David highlights how embracing challenges as opportunities for learning can transform your life. Seeing change as a pathway to personal development opens up endless possibilities. Point 8, taking action on your values. Emotional agility is about more than just thinking. It's about taking action. David emphasizes that even small and consistent steps aligned with your values can lead to significant positive changes in your life. Point 9, cultivating compassion and kindness. Cultivating compassion and kindness, especially towards yourself, is a vital part of emotional agility. David discusses how self compassion helps you recover from setbacks and build stronger, more empathetic relationships. And 10, emotional agility isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. As Sushan David concludes, by embracing change, understanding your emotions, and staying true to your values. True to our values, we can lead a more fulfilling, purpose driven life. Are you ready to embrace emotional agility and start thriving? Signing off, Maheshwari.